Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware basics fast. Unplug and visually inspect the Type-C connector for lint, corrosion, or bent pins, because physical obstruction is the most common failure. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop actually outputs audio over Type-C. Some require adapters or settings. You should also test the earphones on a second Type-C device to isolate whether the fault is the cable, the ear cup, or the host. This narrows the next steps and avoids wasted work. Next, focus on software. Restart your device and the app playing audio, since drivers and services can hang and block Type-C output. Go into sound settings and explicitly select the USB or Type-C audio output if the OS lists multiple devices. This forces the route. If there's no option, update the operating system and audio drivers because compatibility fixes often arrive in patches. Finally, if problems persist, uninstall the audio driver or accessory profile and reinstall it to clear corrupted configurations. For final fixes, swap in a known good OTG adapter or a certified Type-C to 3.5mm converter to determine whether digital-analog conversion is the issue. These components commonly fail. Carefully clean the port with compressed air and an isopropyl swab to remove conductive grime that prevents contact. Once everything is done, make sure to test with multiple apps and volumes. If you still get no audio, contact the manufacturer for support or use your warranty. This is the fastest route when hardware is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.